Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change SIM card name in Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to dual SIM and mobile network. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in dual SIM and mobile network, okay, you can see the SIM info and settings. Okay, you can see the SIM 1 and SIM 2. And okay guys, here you can choose the SIM you want to change the name. And okay, I decide to select the SIM 1. And okay guys, here in SIM 1, okay, you can see the SIM card info. And okay guys, you can see the SIM card name. And okay guys, to change the name, okay, you only have to do is click the SIM card name. And okay guys, here in SIM card name, okay, you can change now the SIM card name. And okay guys, after you change the name of your SIM card, okay, you only have to do is click save button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here you can see the SIM card name is changed. And okay guys, go back. And okay guys, here in SIM info and setting, you can see also the same name is changed. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.